Hi there, I'm Aaron, a developer advocate here at Solace, and I'm here to spend just a couple minutes to tell you about the different types of events that we run as part of the Solace developer community. So, what type of events do we run? We do live coding workshops. These are broadcast live on YouTube, on LinkedIn, and on Twitter. Typically, we're showing off a new API feature or a new integration or connector. Often we have a guest speaker, and these are kind of just, they're done live on air. We do developer workshops. These can both be public and private for customers and prospects. These are meant to be more interactive, typically more of a classroom type of environment. We'll be connecting to the Solace broker. We'll be doing some coding maybe with some samples. So if you are a customer, feel free to reach out to your Solace representative to find out more information about doing a workshop. We do office hours. These are meant to be very free-form live broadcasts where someone from the developer community, as well as maybe a sales engineer, are live on air, answering questions, very free-form, maybe doing a little bit of whiteboarding, Q&A essentially. So if you have a question that you want to ask a Solace person, the office hours are a great place to ask those. And we also do hackathons. Often employers, companies, universities will have tech days or innovation days or weeks. And if you want to look at using Solace as part of your kind of event-driven architecture, we're happy to work with you to kind of do that. So again, come and find us, ask us for more information there. And how do you do that? How do you find out more information? Best place to do it is the Solace community, solace.community. This is where you'll find upcoming events. We have them listed typically over on the top left here. As well as the Solace community is a great place to ask questions, tips and tricks, all sorts of things, upcoming features that are happening at the Solace.community. So go and check that out. You can also follow us on Twitter at Solace Devs and our YouTube channel where we post various videos. Be sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and so whenever I post a new video on YouTube, you'll be sure to get a notification about it. Anyway, that's it. Really quick, short and sharp. I hope you found that useful. Thanks a lot, and see you later.